The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Lewis County in west-central Washington, southeastern Kitsap County in northwestern Washington, southeastern Thurston County in west-central Washington, southwestern Snohomish County in west-central Washington, King County in west-central Washington, Pierce County in west-central Washington, until 11:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 10:44 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Duval to 8 miles west of Edenville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for the warned area. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Seattle, Tacoma, Bellevue, Kent, Federal Way, Auburn, Edmonds, Puyallup, North Bend, Carnation, Renton, Redmond, Kirkland, Sammamish, Lacey, Linwood, Buffalo, Burien, Issaquah, and Des Moines. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the warned area. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service office in Seattle, Washington. Seemingly out of the blue, multiple damaging to destructive severe storms developed near the Seattle area. These storms have since moved off toward the east and will continue to do so at around 40 miles an hour. Widespread destruction has been reported near downtown Seattle. Everyone is advised to avoid King County, as it has been nearly decimated. The National Weather Service is currently working to help predict the path of these destructive storms. Civil danger for the entirety of Oklahoma. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service, as well as state authorities. A line of destructive storms have developed in western Oklahoma. Movement was east at 55 miles an hour. The following hazards will accompany these storms. Wind gusts in excess of 230 miles per hour, torrential rainfall causing significant flooding, and the possibility of a tornado. There is no way to evacuate due to the rapid development of these storms. You must take shelter. This is a potential mass casualty situation. If you are above ground, seek shelter underground. You cannot survive this storm if you are above ground. You must seek refuge in an underground shelter now. Repeating, mass casualty situation likely.
So, how do you feel about the current geopolitical state of the world? At this point, I feel like another global conflict is coming.
Thank you for your time. We have received breaking news regarding the horrific events of the unknown Derecho. A national
National emergency. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. A national emergency has been declared. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, multiple cities are either in the path of a storm of unknown origin, or have been decimated and wiped off the map entirely. Millions have died, and many millions more are injured. The U.S. has lost billions, if not trillions, of dollars due to this disaster. Not only will it lay waste to the eastern seaboard, multiple weather services around the world have confirmed that this derecho will impact them within the next day or so. Preparations have begun in Europe, Africa, and South America. Rainfall will eventually consume the earth. This rain will last for many months, even years, due to the size of the storm system. Flooding will occur, and many lives will be lost. However, the U.S. will stay strong. Even through these trials and tribulations, the American spirit will never fade. Currently, you are advised to treat these storms as massive tornadoes. You cannot survive these storms if you are above ground, which creates the potential and likelihood of a mass casualty situation. Repeating, a mass casualty situation is ongoing. You must seek an underground shelter. This station will cease programming until further notice.